Today I'll be doing two reviews. One of something I ordered a while ago, and about 2 years ago. This lightning cable set from idison. And also I'm going to review this, which I bought recently to replace this set. And this was from GKW, and they're just 1 foot long. So in this one, I had a wide range of cable lengths, but in this one, after realizing it, I didn't need long cables, so I got short cables and saved me money. This was $6.99 for 4. This is $8.99 for 5. So I had 5 of these cables and in varying length. The ones that were 6 feet, eventually they stopped kind of working. This is not too, it's been bent a few times, and so it has trouble when I plug it into my iPhone over here. Sometimes it doesn't show that it's charging. So there's something wrong with the connector, I'm not sure. In this case, so it's less than 2 years old. In this case, this comes out now. So take that into account when you buy this. So as I mentioned before, these two cables work intermittently, like depending on how I plug it in and how I jiggle the wire. A third cable, which was the worst one, I have a different video about that. Third cable, the tip, which is made of metal over here, the tip broke inside of my iPad. So your mileage may vary. This gets a lot of good reviews, and it's nice the way it's braided, but still the part that should last, that has issues, is this tip part, which is, it seems like it's built better than Apple's cable, but sadly after a little before 2 years, these need to be replaced, as well as one that broke completely. So I won't say I wouldn't get it if it was on sale, but I'm not sure I'd recommend it. Now this second set by GKW, it's a nice short 1 foot cable, and wish I had a regular set of Apple cables, but you can see this is kind of improved upon the way this is set, so it's easier to pull it off. This length is shorter, so the design for this is a little better to plug in, as well as when you look at the tip, it uses the same design where when you pull it, you can pull it from over. You have more length over here, so you can pull it from here or over here. As I mentioned on this one, not this one, but I have another one. I don't think this part will break the way this one did, because now I can pull this off and exposes some of the wire and glue. So that's it. It came in this nice little package. And if I open this, got a little straggler over here coming over. He wants to play with my cables. Came in the package like this. Simple and easy.